Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this project, we are going to create this design. It's really interesting, isn't it? And you may think that it may have taken lots of work, isn't it? Well, it's not the case. Well, I will show you everything how we can create this design from scratch. So for that, let's go to file, click on new to create a new document, click on OK. And now, first of all, we need these rhombus kind of shapes and this flower, right? So, first of all, let's create this rhombus shape. And how we can create that? Using the ellipse tool. So, first of all, let's select the ellipse tool and draw a circle just like this. Make its fill, say, this yellow or orange, you can say, and stroke, make it none. Okay, and now select this anchor point tool. So what it does is it converts an anchor point to a corner point. Now just click on these four anchor points to make it a corner point, and there you go, it's now a rhombus. Now let's reduce its size a little bit, just like this. And now we need to take care of this flower. Where it is? Well, here you have the brush library option, right? Just click on it to open it, and let's go to decorative, elegant curl and floral brush set. So just click on that one, and the first one, see, teeny tiny flower. Now select it. Well, not select it now. Yup, okay, so that's fine. So select the brush tool and make sure that this brush is selected. Now just increase your brush size by pressing the keyboard shortcut right bracket key, and now draw a stroke. Now I think this flower is bigger one, right? Let's see. Yep, this flower is bigger. So what we will do, we will try to select it. But see what happens when we are trying to select it. We can see that it's just a single brush stroke line. How we can select it? We need to expand it. Yes, friend. So we need to expand its appearance. And how we can do that? Let's go to Object, click on Expand Appearance. And now we can see that all of its contents of the stroke has now become the content itself. Now we want to work on, say, this flower, but we can't, as we can see that it's a single group. A single group contains all of these flowers. So for that, let's go to Object, ungroup it, and try to select this one, and see, now we can select it. And now let's place it beside this rhombus, and now we can work on it. Now let's zoom in to take a look at it. Let's make its size a little bit bigger. Yep, just like this. Now actually what I'm thinking is that, see, this flower color is red, right? And these are all orange. So let's select this red color as stroke. Select this brush again, select the brush tool, and let's draw few more flowers. And let's say we want to work on this flower, and again we need to select it, go to Object, Expand Appearance, go to Object, ungroup it, and try to select this one, and there you go. And now let's move it here, and let's delete this one because we don't want to work on it, and we want to work on this one, right? Now again let's zoom in, and yep, let's increase its size a little bit. Now we want it to include in our pattern brush. And for doing that, we need to make sure that these are available under swatches. So, uh, what we can do to move it to swatch? Well, you can do it simply just by selecting it and moving it, just dragging it inside the swatches panel, and see, there you go. Again, select this one, click and drag here, and see, now we can see these, right? Okay, and now let's delete everything. Yup, it's blank fully. And now let's create a rectangle, just like this, but it will be having no fill but a stroke of, say, this color. Now let's create a new brush by clicking on this new brush icon, and this time we'll be creating a pattern brush. Let's click on OK, and now we need to select the corner points and the regular points actually. So what will be there? So this is the corner. See, in its drawing only it's saying that it's the corner point. So our corner point will be this flower, see, and what will be there in the middle? In the middle we'll be having this one. Yup, there you go. And now this is the end point, I guess. No, these are the end points. This is the corner point, I guess. Yeah. And end points, let's make it none only. Now let's click on OK. And now just select the rectangle and now click on this pattern brush, and see, you have just created this pattern. It's really looking cool, right? Now, one tip. Let's add anchor points. Click on add anchor point. See, this is the middle point, I guess, right? This is the middle point. See? So what we will do, we will cut, say, 2 diamonds from the middle point. So let's add an anchor point here, another point here, and another point at here. And what we will do, select the direct selection tool, just select this point and delete it. See, there you go. Now using the type tool, let's write here, say, happy birthday. Go to the next line, let's write here Mary. Well, if you don't know how to work with type tool, don't worry, we'll be covering everything. So what you can do with these kind of patterns? Now after writing something in the option panel, here you will see an option paragraph. Just click on it and let's align it center. Now the text is aligned center, and let's change its font to something else, some script, Vladimir script. Yeah. Okay. Yup. So, how is this looking? See. So, I am showing you each and every little thing, how you can create these kind of designs so that you can design it yourself with simple basic stuffs. We are not downloading anything, we are not using some other brushes. By using our own brush and creating our own brush, we are creating these kind of stuffs, and also with the help of inbuilt brushes which are there inside Illustrator. So you won't be needing any other kind of help. And now, if you want to save this in your brush preset, what you can do, click here, click on save brushes, and you can save it to some location. I recommend to save it somewhere else in some folder, and you work from there. Because let me create a new document. Let's create a new document. And see, now that flower, I mean now that pattern brush is not there. So what you can do is, let me save this here. Save pattern. I mean, we are saving all the brushes. Let's save it. And let's come here. Let's open library. Now I have saved it somewhere else. You can even take a look at that where it is saving. Even if you wish, you can save it somewhere else. See, it's inside user. Well, let me save somewhere else inside C folder. Let's create a new folder and let's write as, say, brushes, and inside here let's say right here pattern. Let's save it. Now let's come here, let's click on other library, and where it is, it's inside the C folder, brushes, pattern.ai. See, there you go. Now you can see, right? Okay, and now whenever necessary you can just click on it and see, now you can just work on it. Let me draw a simple arc and see. Okay, let's draw a bigger arc. Okay, so that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this project. Let me close this one. Yeah, so just let me know that how you are liking these lectures, these projects, and also how you are liking this course. And I am really very excited about our next project, where we are going to create, let me open it, this cartoon face, and I will also provide you this cartoon face document. Okay, guys, so, and I will share with you each and every trick, like how to draw eyes, how you can draw a smile, how you can draw hair, how you can draw a face shape. I will share with you everything. So just be patient and stay calm and cool. Be happy, take care. And if you have an issue, and again I'm telling friend that if you have an issue understanding something, always feel free to let me know. Okay, guys, thank you.